Help! Sneeze woman! Sneeze woman!
Thank you, Sneeze Woman, for your very heroic act of kindness. Now I'll inform you that the criminal was pressing charges for sneezing on him without consent. The thief would have only stolen an expired $3 Sears gift card. You caused $49,673.89 worth of damage to the building. The hospital bill for the thief is $22,579.67. We expect to see you tomorrow at court.